Okay, boom. Got these from the local Tokyo Toys. Shout out. I haven't opened packs in a while. Hoping for something good. Don't know though. Don't know. What can we get? What's that? 4 from the back. Card trick. Dark Energy. Damage Pump. Survivor. Stunkfish. Ducklet. Blip Plug. Finion. Zoroark. Paras. Got a hollow Damage Pump. And a Politoed. Move them to the side. On to the next. Four from the back, like always. Got that Energy, Seadra, Fortin, Inkay, Basculin, Phantom, Makihita, Reverse Holo Iscan, and Electros. Nothing too great so far, nothing too great. What we see, let's see what we get. Again, we'll probably do code cards in a later video for use. So I don't think we use them. Energy, Roserade, Fantina, Bronzong, Lickitung, Horsey, Shoppet, Shellos, Growlithe, Seadra, Reverse Holo, and a Bannet. Not too great, not too great. Still Energy, Lost Vacuum, Gastrodon, Lampet, Boomy, Marwell, Slugma, Clefairy, Rosalia, Radiant Sneasler, that's alright, and a Giratina V, God, that's alright, Painting still, gotta put that in a sleeve, and leave that there. It's not the one that we're looking for though, we need the VMAX, hopefully. Code card there. 4 from the back. Psychic Energy, Panic Mask, Bomber Snow, Rhydon, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Ducklet, Rockruff, Reverse Holo Lady, and a Giratina V-Star. Oh, back to back there. Decent. I don't know, is that the one that we're looking for? You're gonna have to tell me. It might be the gold border one. This pack's a bit stubborn. Don't want to open for me. I got it. I got it right there. Got it. Right. Code card to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back to the front. Back to front. Water Energy. Abomasnow. Rhydon. Kamala. Ghastly. Binacle. Murkrow. Wurmple. Clefairy. Reverse Holo Rhyperior, that's alright. And the Magnera. God, I don't think anything can top that V-Star. I haven't even seen it here though. Packs we're opening are called Lost Origin, by the way. Don't know if I already said that. Code card. 3, 4. To the front. Water Energy. Boxer Disaster, Bronzong, Corez Experiment, Inkay, Basculin, Jinx, Makuhita, Bronzor, Reverse Holo Gligar, and a Zoroark V. It's alright. Gonna put all of them in sleeves later on. I'll show you all at the end. Get this one open. We're on a roll now, we're on a roll. Code card to the side. 3, 4. Why is that like that? Bit weird. Guess we'll find out. V-Star card? What's that? You're gonna have to tell me what that is. No idea. Sligo, Electric, Swanna, Shop Hit, Machop, Pikachu, who doesn't have a Pikachu, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Versaloy, and Poliwrath. What that V-Star thing is. That. Code card to the side. Got another one of them V-Star things. Nice, isn't it? Carbink, Nuzleaf, Relicanth, Litwick, Oddish, Lobdisc, Poliwag, Gligar, Hooper, and a Chandelier Hollow. It's alright. Into the next. Keep it rolling. Don't want this to be too long. Right, code card 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back. Dark Energy, Vanitar, Gastrodon, Haunter, Litwick, Rosalia, Rockruff, Seal, Shop It, Reversal Finneon, and a Malmar. Oh, not anything too great. For a little while now. Code card 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Iscan, Carbink, Panic Mask, Gligar, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Electric, and a Reversal Rhydon, and a Clefable. Normal rare. Cool. To the next Giratina pack. Have you got a Giratina in ya? Dark Energy, Porygon 2, that Porygon, Lake Acuity, Box of Disaster, Phalanx, Nova, Machop, Pikachu, Jinx, Lampent Reverse Hollow, and a Rhyperior. And it's trying to escape. Doing these packs well. Only one to open them. 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Machoke, Iscan, Carbink, Squovet, Phalanx, Poliwag, Growlithe, Oddish, Spiritomb, Reverse Hollow. What is it? Full Art? Yeah, go on, that's right. And a Dugong. Nice, nice. Card to the side. 3, 4 from the back. We need something to top that Giratina. Got an Electric Energy, a Seviper, a Stunkfish, Box of Disaster, Inkay, Basculin, Phantom, Makuhita, Electrak, Snorlax Reverse Hollow, and then Ariados. Look at the art on that. That's right. Move this to the side. On to the next. Code card 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Water Energy, Rosade, Vanitar, Bronzong, Upside Down Litwick, Bronzor, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, Hisuian, Reverse Hollow Arcanine, and a Comfey. That was a bit boring there. Code card to the side. 2, 3, 4 from the back. To the front. Electric Energy, Colress Experiment, Silicone, Machoke, Apom, Rosalia, move over, Gumi, Meditate, Squovet, Reverse Hollow Gloom, and another Comfy. Oh. Open this up. Three, 4. Fire Energy, Porygon 2, Colress Experiment, Silicone, Gumi, Bronzor, Snova, Jinx, Inkay, Marwell, and another Comfy. That's 3 in a row. Where do they keep coming from? Code card. 4 from the back. Fighting Energy, Damage Pump, Dottler, Seadra, Inkay, Blipplug, Finneon, Spinnerack, Paris, Reverse Hollow Sliggoo. Oh my god! Cure and Rainbow VMAX. That's alright. Cool. Is that good? Looks it. Oh. I don't know if that tops the Giratina. Might. Alright, I'm getting to the next one. Sounds so enthusiastic. Boom. Code card to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. To the front. Fighting Energy, Arc Phone, Medicham, Misfortune Sisters, Slugma, Dynamo, Litleo, Mindfoon, Litwick, Swanna Reverse Hollow, and a Cure VMAX. Straight after, what's going on? What's this about? Cool. First it was Comfy. I'm not complaining. It's alright. I'll show you all the good ones at the end. Have a bit of a recap. Bosh. Code card there. 2, 3, 4. To the front. Fire Energy, Torkoal, Arizu, Porygon 2, Murkrow, Horsey, Marwell, Snova, Rhyhorn, Basculegion, and a Sableye Hollow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Mirage Gate, Torkoal, Arizu, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Zora, Binacle, Reverse Hollow Gastrodon, and a Macargo. Got another stuck one here. There we go. Code card to the side. 4. Another V-Star thing. Cascoon, Lampet, Ambipom, Marwell, Slugma, Clefairy, Rosalia, Polygon, Raichu Reverse Hollow, and a Galastria Hollow. Let's get through these, come on. Pokemon, forgot what they're called. Code card, that's it. Electric Energy, Cascoon, Ambipom, Amber Snow, Marwile, Horsey, Shellos, Binacle, Porygon, and a Kabu Trainer. Cool. Can we get a 2-in-1? And an Arcanine Holo. Cool, 2-in-1. Decent. Right, I think we've done well so far. I think we have done well. Gold card to the side. Water Energy, Lilike, I can't pronounce that. Relicanth, Lost Vacuum, Love Disc, Phalanx, Poliwag, Gligar, Goomy, Wind Up Arm, Reverse Holo, and a Mimikyu. Getting down to our last packs now. That one comes straight open, cool. Code card to the side. 2, 3, 4 from the back. Fighting Energy, Riley, Nuzleaf, Wind Up Arm, Ducklett, Rockruff, Seal, Zoroark, Snover, Parasect Full Art, and a Machamp. Last 4 packs now out of the 30. I think we've done alright, to be fair. I think we did alright. This one wants to come open. There we go. Right, code card to the side. 3, 4, Bash. Dark Energy, Lady, Sliggoo, Electric, Murkrow, Shuppet, Wurmple, Dynamo, Gift Energy Reverse Holo, and a Dustox. Getting into these. Last 3 packs. Can we pull anything? Come on, get open. Code card. Black Crim, I'm pretty sure that means something good. 4 to the front. Steel Energy, Swanna, Gloom, Lumineon, Seedot, Horsey, Meditite, Shellos, Mindfoon, Dugong Holo, and a Persket. Can't pronounce that, but we got a V, it's alright. Last 2 packs now, moving on. They're both Zoroark packs. Can we pull that Garatina? Hopefully. Oh, some of them fell. Code card 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Lost City, Dottler, Seadra, Growlithe, Lickitung, Slugma, Clefairy, Apom, Lake Acuity, and a Cramorant. Last pack. Can we pull anything? Hopefully. Last pack luck. Let's get this open. Bosh. Black Rim code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Leaf Energy, Hariyama, Haunter, Poliwell, Machop, Pikachu, Jinx, Litwick, Oddish, Kamala Reverse Holo, and another Giratina V-Star. God, guess we've done alright. Anyways, I'll be back in a second to show you what we got. Alright, Bosh, we're back. I'm going to show you all the cool pulls we got today. So we're starting off, we've got Spiritomb, Full Art Reverse Holo. Look at the shine on that. It just speaks for itself, really. Then Parasect, Full Art Reverse Holo. Again, look at the shine. There's Trainer in the background, nice artwork. We've got a Radiant Hisuian Sneasler. I don't really know what this is, but it's shiny. So I'm just going to show you it anyways. Then moving on to the holos. We've got a Machamp Holo, Hisuian Arcanine Holo, a Glastrier Holo, and a Chandelure Holo. Again, these are all pretty cool. Oh, also a Sableye holo. I like the artwork around that. Then we got a Kabu Full Art Trainer. I haven't seen any of these. Looks alright, to be fair. We got Hisuian Zoroark V. Galarian Perskera. I can't pronounce it. V also. Then we've got a Giratina V. Then a Curon V Max. Full Art again. A Giratina V Star. Not the one we were looking for, but still. We got 2 of those. And a Curon V Max Rainbow Full Art. So tell me what you think. The prices will be up. And shout out to Tokyo Toys for supplying the packs. If you are interested in any of these cards, you may be able to win them in a raffle of one of our live streams. So tune into that. Thank you for watching.